Hi guys, this is Lauren Boucher. I'm gonna make oat milk today. First you need oats. You want old-fashioned rolled oats. That's what I have, that works best. Cinnamon, maple syrup. I'm gonna try sunflower lecithin. I've never used this before. Got this on Amazon. And a little bit of salt. Okay. You need a blender, measuring cup, jug. You need either a nut milk bag, nut milk bag, yeah, or cheesecloth. But cheesecloth sometimes tends to be a little too thick. I'll show you. This is the cheesecloth I have. You have to wrap it, layer it. Oh, and you'll also need a funnel. I got these at Christmas tree shop. You can get them at dollar store for $1. Okay. Let's see what this is. Amazon, I think they were like $5. I couldn't find them in any store. I tried. Try not to use Amazon. Oh. Cool. Okay. A magic bullet. Plug this in. Oh shit. It's not gonna reach. Just barely reaches. Okay. You need 2 cups of water. Use cold water. I'm using a Brita. It's about 2 cups. Okay. About a 1/4 cup of oats. Maybe a 1/3 cup. Maybe just do a 1/3 cup. Texture, a little bit of salt, cinnamon, a little bit of maple syrup. This is the one I got at the grocery store. Just like a little bit, don't need a lot. Now let's try sunflower lecithin. This is gonna thicken it, I hope. What do I do with the scissors? These are the worst bags. Like what do they want? Oh. Do 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know how this works. We'll try 1/4 teaspoon. Okay. Secure the lid. Now you want to blend this for 30 seconds. Okay. Now we got this going. I think I'm going to use the medium one. Stick this bag. I don't know if this needs to be washed first. Let's use the large one. Why not? Kind of fits. I don't know. So just stick this bag over. That's prepped. Now you want to get this. Okay. Here's the mixture. I'm just gonna pour this in and I'm gonna hold it. See, it's not even going through yet. That's how thick this bag is. Okay, so yeah, slowly dripping. That's the thing with oat milk. It's slow. Think it's easy? It is easy. Look at this dripping. slow. But in the end, it is worth it. Because you know exactly what went in it, and it's cheap, and it's easy. I don't know if I have to hold this. So, I don't know how well you can see this. I'm gonna make a contraption that holds this up. So yeah, because it tilts. Too scared. Too scared. Anyway, fast forward. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, now it's going. See, this really looks like milk. It's coming out. And so you can just kind of like jiggle the cheesecloth like this, and sometimes it helps make it come out, sometimes it doesn't. And so 2 cups barely fills this, so you have to at least do 2 or 3 batches. There's still quite a bit of water and oats in this funnel, so it'll still go for a while. Lift it. Jostle it around. I'm a Bob's Burgers fan, so I'm sure you can tell. This is my daily outfit. I work from home, don't dress up. This is where I live. Boyfriend's a musician. There's posters, decorations on our fridge. This is my first video. If you like it, watch it. If you don't like it, don't watch it. Never talked straight to a camera before. It's funny. People don't talk about that enough, I think. It's a little strange. I don't mind it. In this type of bag, actually, you can just squeeze it right out. Make sure your hands are clean. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. Okay. Squeeze all the liquid out. I think I'm gonna try to scrape out as much oatmeal into the trash. I'm gonna reuse this bag. Didn't really come off. Still try and reuse it. Round 2. I'm gonna rinse this out. Rinsed out bottle. Okay, we need, again, 2 cups of cold water. To use me. Third cup of oats. It just never looks like enough. Just kind of put in a little extra. Okay. Salt. I don't know how much went in. Sin. 2 shakes. Maple syrup. Oh, that was a little much. You know, it's a little sweet. I'm not gonna be mad. some of this, see if this works. Sunflower lecithin. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. Half of it came out. There we go. Mix it again, 30 seconds. That's it. Apparently if you blend it for too long, something happens. It's not as good. I've never tried it. It's just what the instructions say. And I decided to believe them. Maybe they tested it, maybe they didn't. I don't really care. Alright. Funnel. Oat bag. Draped over the funnel. Oh, look at this. Doesn't do much in the end. Okay. Pour her in. Just wait. Just let it happen. So this is how you do it. You just push down, and then the water milk comes right out of the bag. Alright. I mean, it's pretty much juiced. And that's what you do. Now you have an almost full carton of oat milk. Let's try it out. I need a milk glass. I'm trying to thrift one. Just a little glass. I'll use a shot glass for now. Cheers. Pretty good. Thing with oat milk, I don't really drink it straight. I usually eat it with cereal, but pretty good. Good. I think I would do more oats next time. Try it out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Make yourself some oat milk.